Collages are a great way to showcase a collection of images as a single image, but creating them manually can get a bit tedious, especially if you have lots of images. Wouldn't it be cool if you could, say, use JavaScript to generate them for you? Let me show you how. The Cloudinary API allows you to make all kinds of image transformations, one of them being overlays, which are a bit like layers in a design program, giving you the ability to add text, shapes, and other images on top of an existing image, while also being able to control the size and position of that layer. For this video, we'll be using React, but the same code will work in any JavaScript framework. Make sure you've installed both Cloudinary React and Cloudinary URL Gen. Then choose a base image from Cloudinary and create a Cloudinary object, making sure to pass in your cloud name. We'll use that object to add our image, then add it as a prop to the advanced image component. Next, we'll create an overlay using our base image just to test things out. Make sure you import both source and image from Cloudinary URL Gen. Then if we go to the browser, we'll see we have our image. But the problem with this is that the overlay is covering the base image, which is not what we want. To fix this, we'll import transformation and fill, then we'll scroll down, add some indentation so it's easier to read. Then we'll give our overlay image a transformation, use the new transformation class, and we'll give it a property of resize with a fill and give it a width of 600 and a height of 1200. We'll also give it a gravity of autogravity, which means Cloudinary will find the most interesting part of the image to show after resizing it. But this still doesn't fix the problem because overlay images work best within the bounds of a base image. So let's increase the width and height of the base image to 1200 pixels, making it wider than our overlay. Then we'll use the colorize effect to make it white so it doesn't show up in the collage. Don't forget to import colorize from URL Gen. And now we just see the overlaid image. We can grab another image from Cloudinary and add it as an overlay with the same size as the previous overlay. But this time, we'll give the first overlay a position to west using gravity, and we'll give the second overlay a position of east. Then if we import position and import compass, we can see the images are side by side, making a basic collage. If we wanted to add more images, we could create a function which accepts an array of objects that includes the image name, width, height, and gravity. Notice here we're using northeast and southeast, which will position the images in the top and bottom right corners. And you could use this technique to produce many different types of collages. Okay, now that you know about overlays, in the next video, we'll learn how to use them to add watermarks to images.